The timer is on. First F12 pair done. Got the second F12 pair. The third. And the fourth. That is 7 seconds. First F12 pair done. Second F12 pair. The third. And the fourth. Nobody lied. "42 seconds. Let's start solving this. That's cool. I got two F12 pairs. Got the third one. The fourth one is also solved. I know these parallel keys and I don't know this PLL, so I'm using two PLL. Oh, it's 42 seconds. F2 D prime, B2 R2, B2 B2 D L2. The timer is on. Orange. Second F12 pair. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. We got, I know this PL. Oh, 36 seconds. Good evening, welcome to Banny's Cubes Live. Hi, good evening. Welcome over here. Hi, hello. It took some time to recognize the F12 keys. This F12 case is very easy. This one is also very easy. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. This will be a slow solve. Yeah, it's 44 seconds. F prime L2 R2 F prime D2 R2 B D2 R2 B R2 F2 U prime F D prime D2 L prime B R U. Good evening, welcome to Banny's Cubes Live. Oh my goodness. D2 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 F prime R2 U2 F prime U2 B D2 F prime D2 F prime U2 F prime F D prime U2 R2 B2. Good evening, welcome to Banny's Cubes Live. Welcome. Good evening, welcome to Banny's Cubes Live. The close is done and I got two F12 pairs as well, three in fact. Doing the fourth one. F12 is done. I hate this OLL keys. I know this PLL. Yeah, 34 seconds. Sub 35. F prime, R2, U prime, L2, D2, U prime, L2, F2, U, D2, R2, U prime, L prime, F prime, U, R, D, R2, D2, L2, R2. Am I missing the chance? Good evening, welcome to Vanish Cubes Live. Hi, hello. Orange, red, green. Good evening, welcome to Vanish Cubes Live. Hi. Oh, I put the wrong pair over there. That was a I took some time over there. That's the problem. Yeah, that's why 42. Hey, lock up and took some time to recognize that case. Good evening, hello. Welcome to Vanish Cubes Live. Hi. Good evening. Let's solve this. Got the first F12 pair. The second one is also done. Got the third one. And the fourth. I hate this oil. I don't know this PLL, so I'm using the true look. Oh, it's not a fast solve. Good evening, welcome to Vanish Cubes Live. Hi, good evening, welcome to Vanish Cubes Live. Okay, let's solve this. Took some time to complete that course. I know this oil case. Yeah, and it's T-pound. Ports, 39 seconds. Good evening, welcome to Banny's Cubes Live. Hi, hello, good evening. Good evening, welcome to Banny's Cubes Live. Not that cube, this cube. Oh, that's a 41. I expected a 38 or 39. 41.86 seconds. Good evening, welcome to Banny's Cubes Live. Hello. Let's see what the time I'm getting with this scramble. So this can be opposites, the cross pieces. Opposite over here and opposite over here, and D2. And I saw this first F12 keys, and the second, and the third, and the fourth. So this oil case I don't know. Yeah, tool oil I'm using, and this F12 here also I don't know. So using 39 seconds. That's what I'm getting now. Good evening, welcome to Banny's Cubes Live. Hello, hi. Good evening, welcome to Banny's Cubes Live. So I got this. I can do a D prime, then I'll decide what to do. That's all I can plan. Oh, this oil. No, no. This pill. It's okay. 38 I got. That's all. That's what I'm getting nowadays. 38 seconds, 39 seconds. Trying hard to be sub 30. I think I have to learn all the PLLs. That will be a good idea. So how can I solve this cross? Hmm. Inspection, inspection, inspection. Again, I'm planning 2 cross pieces only, not all the 4. Orange and blue. So I can do that like this. I got red, and that's all. F12 is done, and it's anti-zoom. Okay, I got the headlights, don't know the PLL case, so using 2 look PLL. Oh, oh, the timer also not stopping properly. B2 D prime or D B2 U prime F prime R prime U prime. Hi, good evening. Welcome to Banny's Cubes Live. Hello. Here I am planning 2 cross pieces, green and orange. Yeah, that's done. Over here, I need red over here. I can place it, and a glass blue. So that's done. So I had to be a little bit more fast in solving the cross. This F2 case is really easy, and this one is also easy. This one is also easy. Case. I got a good oil case, 2 look oil, and yeah, good fuel also. Had a very bad time. It took 43 seconds. Hi, good evening. Welcome to Banny's Cubes Live. L2 D, L2 U prime F, L prime D, B prime U, F prime U2, R prime. Good evening, welcome to Vanish Cubes Live. I'm not getting any messages. Hi, good evening. One, two, three. The fourth one is over here. I planned only 2 cross pieces now. Let's see after that. Yeah, the cross is done and the F12, first F12 pair. Got the second one. No. Yeah, got the third one. Got the fourth one. I don't know this soil case, so to look. That was a dot case. I think this is V pawn. Yeah, that was V pawn. Good evening, welcome to Vanish Cubes Live. Good evening and welcome you all. Is there a problem with the network? I'm not getting any messages. Hi, good evening. Here I'm planning 2 cross pieces. This there, this here. The cross is done. So the F12 pair also, not all. 2 pairs are completed. Oh. It's a big problem over here. Oh, that was not a standard case of 12. Again, V pawn. Okay. That took a little bit long. Good evening, welcome to Vanish Cubes Live. Yeah, the first F12 pair, the second F12 pair, and the third one, the fourth one, OLL case, tool OLL, and this is U8 pawn, 35 seconds. Good evening, welcome to Banis Cubes Live. Two cross pieces over here and one over here. So it will be good to solve the red first. Okay, the timer is on. Two cross pieces are done. Working on the third. Third is done. Fourth as well. This oil, I don't like it. Yes, it's not a T-palm. I don't know this PLL, so I'm doing 2 look PLL. And it's done. 41 seconds, 41.72. I expected a 38 or 39. That's what I'm getting. Good evening, welcome to Banis Cubes Live. I think some network problem, that's why I'm not getting messages. I'm not getting any messages. Let's test this one. Good evening, welcome to Banis Cubes Live. So here I can plan 2 cross pieces now. The red over here and just insert the green. Two look PLL, two look oil. Sorry, I know this PLL keys. Good evening, welcome to Banis Cubes Live. Timer is on. Second F12 pair. The third one is also done. The fourth one is also very easy. I know this OLL keys and ta-da, it's a V-palm. Okay. Good evening, welcome to Manage Cubes Live. Good evening, welcome to Manage Cubes Live. Third and the fourth, all cross pieces are done. I've got the first 12 pair, the second, the third, and the fourth. Two blue parallel, I know this PLL case, 34 seconds, 34.85. That's okay. If I'm getting that, well, I'm good. I'm trying for sub 30, but even if I'm getting sub 35, for the time being, it's okay. Hi, good evening. Welcome to Manage Cubes Live. Okay, inspection done. Is over here. Red. Good. And ta-da, that's done. The first F12 pair, that is not smooth. Second F12 pair, the third, and the fourth to the coil, zoom case, it's UA pawn. Good evening, welcome to Manage Cubes Live. I am the 3 over here, 4, 39 seconds. Good evening, welcome to Banish Cubes Live. Okay, here also it's okay. Let's do it. Good evening, welcome to Banish Cubes Live. I got one more like, I believe. Hello, hi, good evening, welcome to Banish Cubes Live. So this, I can plan two cross pieces for this, not the entire cross, these two. And over here also I can plan and connected at this. And I got the first step 12 keys and this one, second, the third. I don't know this oil. So the dot case I got, two look on UB 36 seconds, 0.98. Good evening, welcome to Banish Cubes Live. Hi, good evening. That was an easy case, F12 case. This is also easy. 2 loop OLL. I don't know this PLL, so it's 2 loop PLL. 37 seconds. 37.10. Hi, good evening. Welcome to Vanish Cubes Live. Good evening, welcome to Vanish Cubes Live. Good evening, welcome to Vanish Cubes Live. Okay, I can plan here all the 4 cross pieces. So I'll start with this, then this, then this. Then I can put this down. First actual pair, second actual pair, the third, and the final one. Good evening, welcome to Vanish Cubes Live. Let's solve this. 37. Good evening, welcome to Banich Cubes Live. Let's solve this. Green. So battery is 22%. Good evening, welcome to Banich Cubes Live. Hello, hi. Cubing with RK. Good evening, welcome over here. Which method do you use? I'm using CFOP but with 2-look OLL and 2-look PLL. I'm using F12 but I haven't learned the full OLL and the full PLL. So using 2-look. Oh, I'm also using that method only. Cubing with RK. And may I know what's the average you're getting, RK? How many cubes? RK, how many cubes you know how to solve? I know 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5 and pyramids. What's the average you are getting on 3 by 3? RK? 14 seconds. Wow, that's really cool. Okay, that's your PB. I'm asking about the average. So 14 seconds, your personal best. What's the average of 5 solves? Are you using CS timer? RK? Hello RK, are you there? That's all the time we have for today. We completed 1 hour. Thanks a lot, Cubing with RK, for coming and supporting me over here. That's all the time we do have. We completed 1 hour. We do have live every day from 9 to 10 in the evening. Thank you. That's all. Good night.